What is going on, everyone? Welcome. Today we are going to be talking about HEPA King cabin air filters. First off, what is HEPA? Well, it's an acronym that stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air. There's a couple other iterations of that, but that's basically what it stands for. So now we'll discuss why these filters are good for you and why you may want one. So these cabin air filters are available for many different year makes and models, so check them out on their website and you can search for your vehicle. They're very easy to replace. They're the same steps as replacing your factory cabin air filter. These are just going to trap more pollutants than your typical paper air filter. These HEPA air filters consist of 2 layers of H12 advanced HEPA filter technology, and you'll either have activated carbon layers or nanocrystalline layers, which are a filtering media. They can trap up to 99% of dust and other particles and pollutants. Again, this is why they're used in hospitals and clean air higher standards. So in addition to just filtering better than your factory paper media element filters, these may be a great option for you if you have a weakened immune system or you have really bad allergies, as these are going to catch far more particles than your factory filter replacement. Because of the multi-layer technology and the HEPA standard rating. So again, if you have a weak immune system, you have really bad allergies, or if you live in a really dusty area, definitely look into these, especially if you're running your climate control in your vehicle on recirculate a lot, because that's going to recirculate the air that's in the cab. And if you got a lot of pet hair or dust or anything that's in the car, you definitely want that air that's getting recirculated to be filtered so you're not breathing all that stuff in. So to recap, if you're looking for a higher quality, better filtering cabin air filter for your vehicle, head on down below to the video description, check out HEPA King and see if they support your year, make, and model, and give them a try. Also, there should be a promo code, Tony the Truck Guy, for an extra 10% off of your purchase to help save some money and to make your little switch here. Hopefully this video was informative for everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.